Alright, people. Today is the fucking day. I am on my way. You guys will never guess. I am on my way to go pick up, hopefully, everything goes right. My new, not new, but used 240 SX. It's a 1990 240 SX, and I am on my way to Long Island to pick it up. It's about two and a half hour drive out there, so. Guys, so we are golden, baby. The 240 SX is good. It runs. I ran around the block a couple times. I'm on my way now back from U-Haul to get the trailer. It's pouring out here, absolute monsoon. I am soaked to the bone. I'm crawling around on the ground trying to check this thing out, but drives clean. Looks like one of the belts is a little frayed, like it's gonna go, but I mean, shift's good. I went all the way up to third gear. Everything's clean. Fucking, I'm excited, dude. I can't wait to get this thing home. Now I gotta get it loaded up in the trailer. The guy's like, he didn't want me to load in his driveway, so I'm basically gonna park down the road, leave the trailer, and then take the car down the road to like another lot and, you know, load it right up like that. But I'm so excited to get this thing, you know, out. And I was able to dumb them down to like nothing for the car, baby. Woo! Let's do this. Let's get it loaded. All right. I don't know if you can see it back there, but we got the drift bitch back there. She's on the trailer, and we are back on our way into Connecticut. I got probably about a 2.5 hour drive from Long Island to Connecticut in the shit rain. I don't know if you can see, it's fucking bad out here. I'm like butt ass naked. I got no pants, no shoes on, because I was laying on the ground soaked, just trying to look out the vehicle and everything like that. So, and it was like a monsoon going down out here. So hopefully everything goes well, and we'll get it home and get it safe and drop the trailer off, and then it's time to you know, really get into this bad boy. Okay, what up, people? All right, so we have, I'm trying to get the lighting right, hold on. All right, so I got the car here, okay? We got the car at the house. It's a little bit of a pain. I think either it needs an alternator or the battery was like really dead, but I couldn't get off the trailer. I had to jump start to get off the trailer, but here she is. She's in the driveway. As you can tell, I got a little muddy. I fucking ruined the yard with the truck pulling the trailer in here. But all right, so now it's time to basically try to get this thing in the garage before it snows. I got the truck in here now, trying to pull some shit out. I got this old tractor. So as you can see, this place is a little bit of a mess, but we're gonna try to get this thing cleaned up today, so that we can try to get the car in here and start ripping it apart, start getting shit taken apart, cleaned up, whatever I gotta put back together or fix, and it's gonna be dope. I would say maybe that's why I couldn't get the thing to move. I had a huge divot, probably sitting on something. I don't even know. But this old baby, this one's gotta focus. Stupid camera, let's see. There we go. I got the old Honda over there. In the middle of rebuilding that. I still can't freaking figure out what's wrong with that thing. But this thing will be next after 240. Okay, people, are you ready? Let's see, let's check it out. Oh boy, the garage is clean. Yes, I think that's enough room to get the 240 in there. Yup, I still got to throw a couple more lights in because I want to make sure there's enough light when we're working on the car and stuff. So I have some like extra lights I'd laying around, but yeah, I'm gonna throw those in, and hopefully we can get the 240 in there. It looks like it's enough space to work around it and take parts off and do everything.
Alright, so basically, got the 240 in the garage. I'm freaking excited. I'm gonna start, basically cleaning the inside, doing all stuff. Alright, so, yeah, that was my wife calling, but basically, she's in here, so I'm gonna start ripping her apart and cleaning her up and doing what I can. Like I was saying before, I don't know if it needs a new battery or a new alternator, but, she's dying on me. If you stall her, she'll die out, so, then she has to be jumped and, restarted, but... we'll take her apart, we'll see what it is, and we'll start cleaning her up, replacing parts, doing what we gotta do, and turn this bitch into a drift missile.